Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something to share with you. It is all about the 5 most fearless animals in the world. Have you ever heard about the 5 most fearless animals in the world? Well, let's talk about that. But before we start, if you have interest in this kind of topic, please click subscribe and hit the bell notification to keep you updated on my uploaded videos. Let's get started. Number 5, Hippo. The hippopotamus, also called the hippo, common hippopotamus or river hippopotamus, is a large, mostly herbivorous, semi-aquatic mammal and ungulate native to sub-Saharan Africa. It is one of only 2 extant species in the family Hippopotamidae, the other being the pygmy hippopotamus. Number 4, Ostrich. The common ostrich or simply ostrich, is a species of large flightless bird native to certain large areas of Africa. It is one of 2 extant species of ostriches, the only living members of the genus Struthio in the ratite order of birds. Number 3, Puff Adder. The puff adder, Bitis aritans, is a venomous viper species found in savanna and grasslands from Morocco and western Arabia throughout Africa except for the Sahara and rainforest regions. Number 2, Polecat. Polecat is a common name for mammals in the order Carnivora and subfamilies Ictinocini and Mustelini. Polecats do not form a single taxonomic rank. The name is applied to several species with broad similarities, including having a dark mask-like marking across the face, to European polecats, the only polecat species native to the British Isles. Number 1, Honey Badge. The honey badger, also known as the rottle, is a mammal widely distributed in Africa, Southwest Asia, and the Indian subcontinent. Because of its wide range and occurrence in a variety of habitats, it is listed as least concern on the UN Red List. Please let me know if you have any suggestion topic you want to discuss. Comment down below. I hope you enjoy this video as much I've enjoyed making and sharing it. If you liked this video, hit the subscribe button to receive more like this in the future. Thank you for watching.